Winter is here, and that means it's time to refresh your home with the beauty of frosted greenery, natural textures, and elegant winter wreath decor. From classic evergreen styles to modern minimalist rings, from cozy rustic wreaths to sparkling winter wonderland designs, your front door can become the warmest, most inviting part of your home this season. These winter wreath decor ideas will help you transition smoothly from Christmas into January, blending seasonal charm with timeless style. Get ready for a full guide on winter front door decor ideas that feel fresh, elegant, and absolutely magical. Welcome back to Decor Design Ideas, your home for seasonal decorating inspiration. Today, we're diving into winter wreath decor, winter front door decor ideas, and the most beautiful winter wreath ideas for front door displays. Whether you prefer natural botanicals, snowy wreaths, rustic farmhouse textures, or DIY minimalist styles, this video will help you create a winter door look that lasts all season long. Let's get started. What are the most popular winter wreath decor ideas right now? Trending styles include natural evergreen wreaths, frosted greenery, eucalyptus rings, grapevine wreaths, and snowy winter wonderland wreaths. These designs blend beautifully with winter front door decor ideas and work well beyond the holiday season. What natural materials are used for winter wreath decor? Pine, fir, holly, berries, eucalyptus, cotton pods, dried oranges, twigs, and pine cones are the most common materials. These give your winter wreath decor ideas an authentic and cozy seasonal feel. Love natural decor? Hit like so we know to create more nature-inspired videos. What bases work best for winter wreath making? Grapevine bases, twig frames, rattan rings, foam rounds, and rustic wood slice bases are all great options. Grapevine wreaths especially enhance rustic winter-themed door wreath ideas. What color palettes look best for winter wreaths? Winter color palettes include frosty whites, silver, deep greens, ice blue, rustic beige, navy, and metallic tones like gold or bronze. These colors make winter wreath ideas for front door displays feel elegant and seasonal. Which palette is your winter style? Rustic, frosty, or glam? Comment below. What are popular winter wreath ideas after Christmas? Choose wreaths with neutral greenery, eucalyptus, pine cones, cotton stems, and soft white berries. They feel seasonal but not overly Christmas specific, making them perfect for January. What are some January wreath ideas for a fresh start? January wreaths use clean and minimal designs like eucalyptus rings, frosted greens, snow-dusted stems, and white berries. These winter wreath decor ideas keep your door looking polished after holiday decor comes down. If you decorate for January, save this video for later. What decorative add-ons look great on winter wreaths? Pine cones, bells, velvet bows, mini baubles, metallic ornaments, dried citrus, cinnamon, birch twigs, and fairy lights elevate your wreath. These details make your door decor winter ideas truly stand out. How can I incorporate lights into my winter wreath decor? Use warm LED micro lights or fairy lights. Wrap them gently around greenery for a soft winter glow. Lighted wreaths are perfect for winter front door decor ideas, especially in early sunsets. Love lighted wreaths? Check the Lighted Decor Ideas playlist in the description. What are easy DIY wreath winter decor ideas? Attach evergreen branches to a wireframe, tuck in pine cones, add dried orange slices, and finish with a velvet bow. Or create a minimalist eucalyptus hoop using a metal ring. If you enjoy DIY projects, hit like so we can make more budget-friendly tutorials. What winter-themed door wreath ideas are good for a snowy look? Use frost-sprayed pine, white berries, snowy branches, faux snow spray, and silver accents. These winter Wonderland wreath ideas feel magical and perfect for a frosty aesthetic. What are simple winter wreath ideas for small front doors? Opt for minimalist eucalyptus hoops, 14-inch grapevine wreaths, or small frosted greenery rings. They're lightweight, clean, and fit well on narrow or apartment doors. Where besides the front door can I place winter wreaths? Wreaths look beautiful above the mantel, in the living room, in the kitchen, on interior doors, in hallways, and on covered porches. Winter wreath decor ideas can elevate every corner of your home. Want a full winter home tour video? Comment winter tour below. What winter wreath styles look great in rustic or farmhouse homes? Grapevine wreaths with pine cones, birch twigs, cotton pods, wood slices, burlap bows, and dried botanicals are perfect. They blend beautifully with rustic winter door decor ideas and neutral home styles. What modern winter wreath ideas are trending? Asymmetric wreaths, metal hoop frames, monochrome color palettes, geometric shapes, and minimalist eucalyptus designs. Modern designs fit clean contemporary winter front door decor ideas. How do I choose the perfect winter wreath for my home? Choose based on your decor style: rustic, pine cones, bark, dried oranges; modern, eucalyptus, simple metal rings; traditional, holly, berries, classic greenery; frosty, whites, silvers, glittered accents; January neutrals, beige, cream, soft green. Need help choosing? Tell me your home style in the comments. Winter wreaths bring life and warmth to your home long after the holiday season ends. Whether you love rustic natural pieces, minimalist modern rings, glamorous metallic styles, or farmhouse-inspired winter wreath decor ideas, each design can completely transform your entryway. With these winter front door decor ideas and creative DIY options, your winter decor will feel cozy, elegant, and beautifully seasonal all the way through January. Enjoy these winter wreath ideas? Like the video and share the inspiration. Tell us your favorite style: rustic, modern, frosty, or farmhouse. Explore more winter decorating videos in the playlist below. Subscribe for weekly winter home decor ideas and seasonal inspiration.